Hey there, welcome to Documint. We're excited to help you learn how to repeat an element using a list of items in this video. With Documint, you can easily loop over a list from your base and dynamically repeat a layout element in your template. Let's dive in using an invoice template we've got in our gallery. First things first, in this video we will access data from a linked record in a table integrated with Documint. To do this, just expand the linked record in your Airtable connection. If you skip this step, Documint won't be able to see the data from that linked records tab. Once you expand it, you'll spot the fields appearing in the token pane. If you are using the custom data source, just create a collection field and add the fields for that list. Now, it's as simple as dragging and dropping the tokens you want to include in your item loop. Once you've got everything in place, select the row you want to loop through and head over to the Properties pane. Click on Edit Logic and find the Repeat Loop option. In that List field drop-down, select the field that contains your list. You'll notice the tokens will now show just the name of the field you're pulling information from. Finally, hit Preview to check out how your list will look. And just like that, you've set up your very first loop. We can't wait to see you next time.